BimmerTech was at the BMW Invasion show at Deezerland Park on February 19th. The show was full of amazing cars and vendors, including us. We had the whole team and as many cars as we could fit inside and out. Matt, Jarrett, Nelson, myself, and even Powell from our Dubai office and our owner Patrick from our Polish office. We had our products on display, our F30 and custom test bench for people to test our products, and a raffle for people to win some incredible prizes. Outside was even more impressive than the inside. More vendors, more cars, and more good times. All right, here we go again, vlog style, heading inside. This is the outside. Huge event here, lots of vendors, lots of cars. So far, it's pretty sweet. We got Obsessed Garage here. We're supposed to be shooting a video with him. We're gonna make it happen. Keep on walking through and yeah, let's see what we got. Sorry, it's a little shaky. I'm not using the gimbal or anything. Just kind of running and gunning on this one. Sorry, Chad. BMW Invasion spiced things up with an exhaust competition.
Awesome, round of applause. Thank you, sir.
And later in the day was a burnout competition. Out in the parking lot were BMWs of all shapes, sizes, and levels of customization. And that's a wrap at BimmerTech's participation in BMW Invasion. We hope to see you at the next one, because if it's local, we're going to be there. If it's not local, we might even be there too. We've been talking to our boss about moving out to other locations. Sorry if I'm babbling. I am exhausted. This was one heck of an event. You guys made it amazing, and we hope we were able to make it amazing for you guys by hooking you up with all these products, by spinning the wheel. So thank you very much for watching, guys. If you like this kind of content and you want to see more product reviews and all the different things that we offer, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment as well. Let us know what you thought and what you'd like to see next. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Peace.